Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Flux AI Dev, a cutting-edge text-to-image model by Black Forest Labs. Whether you're an AI artist or a developer or a AI fan, this model offers high-quality image generation from text prompts. So let's get started on how to use it. Now, what is Flux One Dev? It is a 12 billion parameter rectified flow transformer capable of generating images from text descriptions. It's designed to match the performance of closed source alternatives, offering impressive prompt following and efficiency through guidance distillation. And this model is available under a non-commercial license, making it accessible for personal and research purposes. Now, on how to use this, so you need to visit the Flux One Dev on Hugging Face, agree to the model non-commercial license terms, enter your prompt, click customize the parameters if you want to change the image size, the seed, and other stuff right here, number of interference steps, randomize seed, it depends on what you want, and click generate to generate your image. So we're just gonna say, let's say a man riding a horse throwing a green emerald ball. There we go. So this is gonna generate the image right here. I see here's the process on how it's gonna make the image. So I think Flux.1 dev is a bit faster than the other generation, but there is the other part, which is the Flux1.schnell that I used to use, but it's not working anymore. But that's okay. So as you see here, it's still rendering here. So there we go. So that's the image right there. I think it bug a little bit, but that's okay. So that is how you can use Flux1.dev. But if you want to use it, locally with diffusers, you can, paste it in a Python library and start making it. But it's a bit longer process. So we're just gonna discuss some alternative here on Hugging Spaces. So this is not the only image generation. There's also a lot of things here. You also have Flux Pro, unlimited, so you can unlimited prompts. Let's try the usual prompt we use. So a man riding a horse, throwing a steel ball, throwing a green steel ball at a rock with spin. There we go. So we're just gonna generate this pro version. So the pro version does take a little bit more time. So we are Q in 2323. So we're gonna come back at it later. So we're going to open this in a new tab and find more. So this not we also have a lot of style ones. So for this the Flux one that we use. We also have mid journey. So usually mid journey you can only use mid journey on Discord or by paying. I think this is free, or you can just use it on Hugging Spaces, which is pretty cool. And we can pick anime examples. I guess we can use one of these and run it. There we go. For 5 steps, not bad, not bad. Just gonna generate it right now. There we go. As you see here, that's not anime, but close enough, I guess. Actually looks pretty good. Kind of uncanny though, but it looks okay. But so that's like really fast for me journey. I don't know what model this is. I don't have translation on my on me, so that's okay. It's still going. So we're just gonna explore more spaces here. So that's not. I think there is a Ghibli version of it, which is pretty cool. You also have stable diffusion, the journey, uncensored stuff if you're into that, I guess. Fluxo.dev, one we used before. I think there's Chanel. Chanel's not working right now. It's bugged. So that's unfortunate, there's also relevance. We have Annie Imagine. It's anime team, so we're gonna try this one again. Let's see if this one's better than the other one. So let's try Asuka Langley here. And we're gonna generate her image here. So it will take 5 seconds. That's very fast. This one's taking a long time to generate, but that's cool. Let's Asuka Langley, throne, cross legs, hold weapon, eye patch. So this is the remastered version of Asuka. So that's pretty cool. We also have this one. We're gonna try and generate this one. We're just picking prompts here because I don't know how to generate my own prompts. But I'm pretty sure there's a website right there where you can generate your own. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. Still no. Okay. We're gonna find more. I think a lot of people are using AI this hour. So bear with me here. I think there's also a Ghibli version because I keep seeing back then on Hugging Face that there's a Ghibli, there we go. Multilingual text Ghibli studio. Let's go. So let's say make John Cena, I guess. And then we're gonna ask the AI to make John Cena. So create Ghibli art. Let's see here that I do have some usage quota, but it's not really taking that much. So you can generate a lot of images. Oh no, it's an error. Sometimes when there's error, you just gotta keep pressing the generate Ghibli art button. Ooh, runtime error. I think it's not working. Oh, that sucks. Let's try it again. Okay, let's move on. So still going on Flux Pro. So I should generate the image now. We can view it or download it. Image wasn't available. So yeah guys, that's my tutorial for you. If you guys liked that video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn notifications. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.